if y'all missed the last video, basically I did a tailgate update on the AlphaRex Lux Series headlights, Jesus, taillights for the 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma. So when I started this taillight journey, I had the original OEM 3rd generation TRD Pro taillights, and they worked great. They did what taillights are supposed to do. The blinkers worked, the brakes worked, the reverse lights worked, whatever. But I wanted something different because that's what this channel is kind of about. You know, I want things that look unique, I want things that look cool, and I want the build to be my own. So I found this company called AlphaRex, and they do a Lux, L-U-X-X series taillight for the 3rd gen Tacoma. And conveniently, I backed into a tree during a thing, probably showing it here above my hand, and I broke my TRD Pro taillight, so I was like, what a great time to upgrade, but right now. So that's what I did. So I bought the AlphaRex taillights. Fast forward a couple of years, I got into another sticky situation in an off-road type of thing and ended up breaking my driver's side taillight again. So I don't know if you can see it on the screen right here. I'm missing some plastic. The taillight obviously still functions. There's no issues with it actually doing taillight things. However, it is indeed broken. So I went on a Facebook Marketplace and I was looking at, honestly, finding a 3rd gen taillight just to pull the plastic housing off of to slap it on this one and call it a day. And I came across somebody that has a brand that I had never seen before and never heard of before, and that's funny considering it's been like 10 years, not that long, maybe like 7 years that I've owned this truck and been looking at this sort of stuff. And it got me really excited. So the dude was offering this box here for not a crazy amount of money. Excuse me, sorry, I got random things that like to fall sometimes. And I think I bought these for like 75 bucks or something like that, which is a really good deal for a set of taillights. Usually they run for about $250. I forget the name of this company. It's some bullshit, probably Chinese type of thing, but whatever. But they look cool. So here they are. And obviously they are very smoked. You can't see them at all. But I'll tell you, they do look pretty cool. So long story short, this is a new LED taillight for my 3rd gen Tacoma. They are a smoked lens and they're unique, and they should have a sequential turn signal allegedly. So we're gonna go ahead and get the AlphaRex taillights pulled out. Those I'm gonna save for a different project. I've got ideas for the future, and then we'll get these put in. They're really freaking easy to install because if you look at the back, there's literally 3 plugs. You have 2 bolts on the side right here, which I will show you on the edge of the bed. A couple of, I think they're 10 millimeter, they might be 12 millimeters, whatever. You undo those and then you plug in the reverse light, the brake light, and the turn signal, and then you call it a day. It's really easy, it's really quick, and it's honestly kind of fun if you're not an electrician because you feel like you're doing something cool. Yeah, so I'll show you what the AlphaRex Tacoma taillights look like currently, and then I will pop these ones obviously on and show you how that process works and do kind of a side-by-side comparison of the look. So let's do it. As with anything related to unbolting things, the first step is to find the socket that you're going to use to unbolt the thing. Sorry for touching you. Once again, I think it's 10 millimeter, but it might be a 12. It's definitely not a 12. It's definitely going to be a 10. Bada bing. Yep. You're gonna, sorry for touching you again. You're gonna unbolt this, and you're gonna unbolt one of these two. I don't remember exactly which one it is, so I'm gonna hold this up right here, and it's gonna tell me that it's the bottom one, and then it's literally as easy as sliding the entire housing out. You got all the plugs in the back, and we'll talk about what goes to where, but let's go ahead and get that new one thrown in first, shall we? Okay, my dudes, so it has been a couple of days now, and I don't have my tripod. Wait a second. If you guys were doing an OEM taillight swap, you were not swapping out an aftermarket one, you're swapping out the OEM one, you wouldn't have to do what I'm doing right now. But I'll show you the reason why at the moment they're not a direct swap for me. And it's because I gave something away with my OEM ones that I probably should have held on to. But that's okay, because I was expecting these to last me a lot longer than they have. Okay, so taillights, obviously they're the same shape, but if you look at this one, you'll see that there are plugs on the back, obviously, right? You've got your turn signal, your reverse light, and then your brake and running lights, right? If you look back at this one, you don't have any of those. You have this weird looking plug thing, which obviously does not adapt. Now, the OEM taillights have a bulb installed inside of the taillight. Go figure. It's how lights work. You need to have a light in there in order for the light to turn on, right? So, what this company, which I don't have a name for it because I've only ever found one of them on eBay and it makes no sense, but this company uses your OEM bulbs, which have, as you can see, the same plug, obviously, as what, well, I guess this would be on the other side, but whatever. The point is this will plug into the truck, and that, well, I guess I should say, the bulb looks rather similar to that, doesn't it? So that's exactly how that works. So I had to go onto eBay and buy OEM light plugs to be able to do this swap in order to make this work. So once again, not a big deal. These ones actually come with gaskets, which is really nice. So I don't entirely know which plug is which per se, but like I said, this gray one I believe is our regular brake lights, or like, yeah, your regular brake lights, and then the running lights, and then this yellow and black one is going to be your turn signals, I'm pretty sure. Now the problem is this one has a ground, right? And then your yellow turn signal. This one is just both the same. Now granted, there's a thing here which is probably a resistor if I had to guess. So I don't really know what direction this is supposed to go in, but I am sure we will figure that out. Once again, this may not actually matter because there's no actual ground listed here. Okay, well, we'll just put it in one direction, plug it into the car, and see what happens. Because that's about all you can do. Boom. Okay, just like that. So now, plug it into the car, turn it on. And just with my AlphaRex, y'all are going to see this before I do, so let me know how it looks.
So one point of note that I did discuss pretty thoroughly during the tailgate update video on these AlphaRex taillights, but whenever the turn signal or hazards are active, the brake light may momentarily flash, but for the most part, it doesn't show up at all, which is a big problem. Now, one strange thing about these taillights is no matter what direction you plug in the power source cable, the turn signals go sequentially, but from the outside of the light towards the center of the truck. Point is that my turn signals and my brake lights continue to work at the same time, unlike the AlphaRex.
If this doesn't say how freaking generic these things are, it's literally LED taillight installation, and it doesn't even show a Tacoma taillight on here. And in the book, it doesn't show a Tacoma taillight. None of these are for Toyota. Well, they might be for Toyota, just not for a Tacoma. So obviously these things are not some sort of a large known brand, so I don't have the highest of hopes that they're going to last a long time. But technically, they're better than the ones that I had before because my brake lights actually work while my turn signals are running, which is a ton of fun. So, I guess I'll be saving the old ones for a different time, and yeah, I don't know. I mean, I like them. Like I said, they weren't an expensive find by any means, so I wasn't too worried even if they showed up and only one of them worked. It wasn't going to be that big of a deal. So I am happy that they are both functional lights. Although that inverted turn signal thing is going to bother the hell out of me. But luckily, I don't have to look at it, which means that it's not going to bother me as much because while I'm driving, I don't care. So, anyways, with that, obviously there's not a whole lot else that goes into putting taillights into the car, so I'll try to find the name of this for you, and that'll be in probably the thumbnail for this video and probably a link down in the description. But like I said, these are some weird no-name brand type of thing, so if I can find it, I'll put it there for you guys so that you can go get a set of your own, because they don't look half bad, and I was actually really surprised that they had an animated startup sequence. Didn't expect that. So anyways, with that, hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to live from dusk till dawn.
In the next video, we are going to do something to protect these taillights so that we don't have to worry about cracking them ever again.